Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, so in this video we're going to make a popcorn and we will teach you how to make a popcorn. So the ingredients are to make a popcorn
is a bowl, pan cap, stuff, and the popcorn.
Without further ado, let's make the popcorn. Alright, the first step to make a popcorn is put your popcorn in the pan. Okay. Can you hold
Okay.
this? Okay guys, so cut this and put the popcorn in the pan. And close your pan
This is
to keep the popcorn still there.
and turn on the stuff.
Wait, right. So set up your fire is low and wait for 3 or 4 minutes, guys.
A few moments later.
Banyu,
Oh,
wake up! Do you hear a sound pop?
yes.
It means your popcorn is ready.
Oh, it's very good.
Okay, let's wait until the popcorn is already all cooked.
Okay.
Whoa! The popcorn is ready to eat. So let's put the popcorn on our bowl, right?
Don't forget turn off the stuff.
All right. Banyu, can you help?
Okay.
Yummy.
In here.
All right, be careful, guys. Banyu, can you taste it?
Okay.
Hey, don't forget to pray basmalah.
Okay. Bismillah. It's so delicious.
Wow. Okay, guys. So this is the end of our tutorial video, and that's all from us. And enjoy your popcorn. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.